Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and this is the new shotgun mic from Sony, the ECM-M1. Taking on a very different look to Sony's previous shotgun microphones, the ECM-M1 offers a far more compact and lightweight build thanks to its new diamond patterned microphone capsule placement. Not only does this keep the size down, but it also offers you more versatile sound recording by introducing 5 new modes for targeted audio pickup, bringing the total to 8, so there will be something for all your recording situations. We've got super directional, unidirectional, omni-directional, super directional rear, super directional front and rear, super directional front and rear separate, stereo, and ultra-directional. Changing between each of these modes is simple, and the microphone as a whole is incredibly intuitive to use with either twist and lock dials or switches. It's not just the control aspect which makes this shotgun microphone a pleasure to use, it's also the fact that it uses 4-channel recording, which includes a backup safety recording of your audio too. So in the unfortunate event that you had the audio settings wrong, the microphone will actually have recorded an omni-directional backup for you to use. I love that feature. We've got a shock and vibration suppressing design, along with it being cableless to reduce low frequency vibration noise, as well as options for a noise cut filter or low cut filter to ensure you're getting the highest quality recording. The ECM-M1 also comes supplied with a wind muff too for those challenging days outside. Now I know that was a really brief overview, so drop us a comment if you'd like to see this mic in action. But in the meantime, if you'd like to find out any more information on the Sony Shotgun ECM-M1 microphone, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. Don't forget to give this video a like, hit subscribe, and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. Thank you so much for watching. That is all from me, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.